with our presentation for today. Before we begin, just a quick land acknowledgement. We'd like to begin by acknowledging that the land on which the Fields Institute for Research in Mathematical Sciences resides is part of the treaty lands and territory of the Mississaugas of the Credit. We would like to acknowledge and express gratitude to the Mississaugas of the Credit, First Nation of the Anishinaabe peoples, who continue to share their ancestral lands with us. I think I could just hold it here. I won't go too far. So just some ground rules. Please leave your microphone on mute unless you are sharing. Please keep your video off unless you are sharing. Engage in respectful discourse and create a positive collegial atmosphere. Wrong way. Some of our reports. So very briefly, CMS is organizing their Math Ed meeting on the 22nd of November and the 23rd of November from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The Margaret Sinclair Memorial Award recognizing innovation and excellence in mathematics education. So the deadline for nominations is January 15th. So that's coming up. From OCMC, by the way, if there's anybody here that wants to speak on behalf of these, you're welcome to do so as well. But the fall meeting is on November 8th. Some information there for you. And then OAME, our deadline is November 15th for proposals. And our Fields Math Ed Forum Research Day, our deadline for submissions is November the 5th. And I'll hand it over now to Stacy.
Absolutely. Okay. This is from Pam Fields. Do you know a high school student who is interested in developing their math, puzzle, and logic skills and is willing to travel to downtown Toronto? This goes like that for your help in promoting Fields Math Circles, held every Saturday in person at the Fields Institute. October to June. Sections focus on building math logic skills through engaging in fun puzzles with a group of like-minded students. More details can be found on the Fields Math site, and students can join them. Thanks.
Perfect. Good morning, everyone. My name is Stacy Costa. I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Toronto and the academic campus head at Brainpower. It's a pleasure to welcome you all this morning to this collaboration between Math Ed Forum in conjunction with the Cognitive Science Network at the Field Institute. Today's talk, of course, and today's overview of the day, the cognitive approaches to mathematics education, is going to be wonderful. We've all, of course, gathered here to explore insights at the intersection of between cognitive science as well as mathematics education from a realm of different areas and interests. And the sessions today, of course, will focus on the rapidly evolving field, integrating cognitive psychology, AI, neuroscience, and of course, education, and from a wide range of lenses as well. From studying the essential building blocks of mathematical thought to, of course, the innovative AI applications and engagements in e-learning. Today's talks are going to offer for all of us a broad view of how cognitive frameworks can enrich mathematics education.